yung na-postpone because of the Supreme Court ruling din.
Yeah.
Oo. Kasi nung una, supposedly dapat ano siya, synchronize siya with the local and national elections.
Yes,
That's the
course.
original ano. Tapos lumabas yung Supreme Court decision na yung unconstitutional, yung pagbuo nung probinsya because of the filing nung Sulu. Oo.
Yes.
So natanggal ang Sulu, ang effect nun is yung 7 seats ng Sulu, bakante. So paano ka naman din mag-hold ng election kung may bakante? So ano mangyari? So ang ginawa, nag-file na naman, ako yung naging sponsor nun, nag-file kami ng batas para to make it, reschedule it to October, to give time for the parliament to redistribute the 7 seats, no, doon sa mga members pa na provinces. So, nung supposedly October, ang nagkaroon naman ng petition sa Supreme Court because of the law that the parliament passed. Yung redistricting nila.
Yes.
Oo, so may issue naman doon ng gerrymandering, may issue naman, etc. So, naglabas na naman ang Supreme Court ng decision nila na unconstitutional din yung ginawa, yung issue doon sa batas na ginawa ng parliament. So, we had to, again, we had to reschedule it again.
So, nag-set for September this year.
This
tama
year, this year. So, yun ang naging rason. So, sa palagay ko, wala nang rason.
So, you anticipate
kasi
tutuloy na to?
It was remedied, yung sinight ng Supreme Court na unconstitutional dun sa ginawang batas ng Parliament na redistricting, na remedy naman yon ng Parliament. And so far, wala pa naman ata akong narinig na nag-question na naman sa Supreme Court. Wala pa so far. So, tuloy-tuloy na. Kasi matagal na rin itong inaantay ng ating mga kababayan sa farm. More than 7 years.
How many years na?
Yung
Since
sa
the last
2019, when the first appointment was issued as members ng parliament. So 2019 up to now.